after studying various kind of filters available in Tableau, now we'll check how to format these filters. Formatting basically means how to change the text or background of the filters, making them change the font size, bold, italics, underline, changing the backgrounds, and so on and so forth. So without much ado, let's move on the Tableau workbook to see our formatting filters in action. So this is the visualization I have made using the subcategory of the products and the profits given by them. So I think three products, bookcases, supplies, and tables, they are giving us negative profit, means they are generating losses for us. Rest all the subcategory products are generating positive profits for us. Now in case I add a filter over here, say category, okay, I'm selecting all the categories. I want all the categories over here, and then I'm saying show filter. Okay, so this is a filter over here. Now what all operations I can perform for enhancing the view of this filter when it is shown to the end user, I'll tell you that. So first of all, we can decide if we want to apply this filter to what all worksheets. Means the use of filter is not only limited to the worksheet where it is created, it can be used to manipulate the data in other worksheets as well. We will see this in detail when we be seeing how to create dashboards. Second is format filters and set control. So when I click over there, I get this dialog box. Now in case I wish to change the title, like this is my title category. If I have to change its font type, supposedly I want to do it, I get all these variety of fonts predefined in Tableau for me, and I can also import specific types of fonts if I want, which are not defined over here. You can definitely import them. You get an import option as well. So as of now, let me take the most popular one, that is Tableau Bold, and I'm taking the filter size, the font size at 10. I'm making it bold and I'm changing its color to blue. Okay, I've done this. I want it to not to be left aligned, but I want it to be center line. Now the contest. Now right now I have edited the fonts of the filter title. You will see that although I have made these changes, but they are not reflected over here. The reason is the changes you make to the filters, the font, etc. What all changes you make to the filter title, they will be visible when you will add this worksheet in a dashboard. So we'll check that out. Apart from this, now these were the changes we did on the filter title, like its left align, left align, and the font color, etc. Now we would like to make some change in the options available in the filter. So for them, we have got this. Now I want to keep its I want to change the font to Tableau Light. Okay, and I would change the background shading to something like yellow. So you can see that the color I had selected, that's orangish, so that background is visible in the options, the filter options. And I would like to add a border as well, orange colored border with thickness line this. Now over here, I can only see the changes I have made to the background. I cannot see other changes. Now when I go to create a dashboard, so dashboard we'll be studying in detail, but just to give you a view, like let me remove the older ones. Now this is a dashboard. What all visualizations I have made in multiple sheets, I can all bring those visualizations together on this single dashboard. So supposedly the changes I had made were in format filter worksheet. Now I would like to import the format filter over here. I'll drag and drop on the dashboard. So I'm getting the filter over here. Now what all changes I had made to this filter, the font changes I had made are visible now. So the category title has been colored blue. It has been center line. The border of the filter has been given as orange, and the background is darkish orange. Everything is visible over here. So what all changes we'll make into the font of the filter over here, they'll not be visible over here, but they'll be definitely visible when we'll be importing the worksheets on the dashboard. So apart from these options, you also get an option to edit the title. So if you would like to edit the title, now this is the category. Okay, now if I would like to change it to something like product categories, something like that. Okay, I want to change it to product categories, I can do that. If I would like to change the increase the font, I can definitely do it from here as well. I can change the color from here as well, as I was able to do from there. Apart from this, if I want to change the context, I can do that when I press OK. Right now over here only text is changed. Over here we'll see the entire change. I have increased the size, so the product category title is quite visible now. Apart from changing the fonts in the title, we can also use the visibility of the title. Right now we are able to see all the options together. Now I can change it to a single value list. I can change it to a single value drop down, a single value slider, multiple values, multiple custom lists, wildcard match, relevant. Now all of these, we can use any one of these options. Supposedly, let me use a single value drop down. So if I use it a single value drop down, then over here you will see that I can choose any one value, right? I can choose any one product category, may it be office supplies, may it be technology, may it be furniture, may it be all. So I can decide what value I would like to show. So this was single value filter. I can also use multiple value drop downs, where I'll be given option to select multiple values from the drop down. Then I get wildcard match. So in wildcard match, there will be no option, but I can myself write what values would like to see. So the user can type in the value he would like to see furniture. So this is also kind of filter. So you can change your filter options the way you want. I have added a slider. So on each slide, I'll get one option. The first one is technology, then is the furniture, and so on and so forth. So this was the case when I had a filter of discrete value. That is when my filter was something which is a dimension. Now next we'll check what if my filter is a continuous value. Okay, so I'm changing this categorical or discrete variable to drop down. Okay, now let me add a filter which is continuous value filter. So I am adding the filter which is of profit, and I want to see the entire ranges. Okay, I'll say apply. Okay, now when I say view, show the filter, then this filter by default it's appearing as a slider. So apart from slider, I can also change it to at least or at most, the type I want. So when I'm changing it at least or at most, then it's showing me the value it wants. So in this way, if your filter is discrete in nature, you get multiple options to show the values you have in your filter. But in case your filter is continuous in nature, then most probably you get a slider. But in slider you get an option that whether you would like to show a range of values, or the least value, or the max value. Now you must have noticed that in previous one also, and over here also, we are getting this option as only relevant values. Now what it means is, supposedly there are more than one filters on a particular worksheet or on a dashboard, and you want the filters to be interdependent on each other, then you will use only relevant value. What it means is, supposedly I had this product category and then sum of profit. Now I would like this range of profit to change based on what all values I select in the product category. So for what I'll do for this, what I'll do is I'll go over here, I'll change only relevant value. So when I change the product over here, furniture, then the relevant values will change. I'll show a range over here, just give me a minute. Now when I am showing you all, so this range you can see from here till here. Okay, sum of profit, this is the entire sum of the profit. Now this is showing me the entire sum of all the product profits. Okay, so when I'm doing all, my profit is somewhere around this. When I'm doing only furniture, the profit range changes, because in case of furniture, the total sum of profit is higher. If you add these three, then this profit range is higher. Whereas when I do it office supplies, then in office supplies, my total profit range is a bit different. And when I do only technology, then my total profit is this. So based on what all changes I'll make in my the filter, this product category, based on this, the value of my this filter will automatically change, and vice versa is also possible.